Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best microwave under $100. Here are the top 3 microwaves under $100 that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Toshiba EM131A5 CBS Microwave Oven. It has a pre-programmed menu that optimizes the heat according to the food item. The shiny black body frame of the microwave goes best with the aesthetics of every household kitchen. Large display and large buttons make the usage of the microwave more convenient and comfortable. Its 12.4 inches turntable offers enough space to keep food dishes with proper balance. Popcorn making and defrosting functions are just a click away. At number 2. Amazon Basics Microwave 700W. The settings and timings of this microwave can be set using the Alexa commands. Its compact size features make it easy to place anywhere in the kitchen. The child lock features do not let the little ones operate the microwave and provide complete protection from accidents. The bright LED screen on the top displays timer. The control buttons are large and comfortable to press. The large turntable inside ensures that the dish placed stays balanced throughout the heating process. At number 1. Farberware 1.1 cubic foot stainless steel countertop. The shiny steel body of the microwave is durable and matches with every household's kitchen interior. It has 6 cooking programs that offer convenience and control in cooking different food items in the microwave. The LED screen is bright and displays time and cooking settings, making the microwave usage more convenient. The glass turntable inside is large and offers ample space to keep microwave-safe dishes comfortably. The highly efficient defrosting features defrost the frozen food items, consuming minimum time. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.